Today we are showing how to Outlook data export import. There I have lot of policy, so we are showing the one policy. Also, why this one we are need, because sometime this mail we are not working, but there have a approx 100 GB data. When I remove this one, the data is gone. So we need to the data backup. So how to backup this region? We are export import this data file. So get start, click the file, then fish account. There have whites, gray option, shapes, export option and export. There have then export import. We are backup in the local PST, so export file, clicking the PST, then next which file we need to the backup. We need full, so click in here, this, then next where we are need to the backup. Hmm? Hmm? We give here, okay, then finish. No need the password. When you give the password, this time when we are add again the PST file, this time this password is needed, but we are no need this one. Then okay, work is starting. Just do it. I show you this one. There have need to long time because the mail data 1100 plus. So thank you.